Page 251, this is number 2 at the top of the page. It's another lesson on harmonization, a little exercise. We have a melody, and they give us accompaniment. They give the chords. This time they're giving the Roman numerals for the chords and a pattern to go by. Okay. Well, first I want to hear the melody. It's in 2/4 time with 1 flat. We're in the key of F major. So those Roman numerals apply to the chords in F major. But first, the melody. 1 and 2 and. That's the melody. Maybe a little slow. I think Allegretto goes a little quicker than that. Speed, pick a speed, I don't care. That's sort of what it sounds like. Then I want to make sure I know what the chords are. And I'm just going to do block chords at first. Now the left hand's just doing the root of the chord. Okay, so the 1 chord in F major is an F chord. That's fine. And then the 2/6 chord, that is a 2 chord in first inversion, which is here. The 2 chord in F major is this. But in first inversion, the B's on the B flat's on the bottom. It's here. So that's why it's a B flat on the bottom. That's why they're showing you the B flat. Here. I can play the right hand in any inversion I want. It doesn't matter. But at the bottom note, the left hand's taking care of the bottom note, and that's what's doing the inversion. Okay, can't do that. I don't care. And then the 5/7 chord, and they don't show an inversion. Well, that would be a C. It's the 5/7 chord in root position, so I'm going to play a C here. And for the right hand, just pick something. Stay out of the way of the melody. Just you don't have to play root position in the C here. Here, it's a 5/7 chord, and then a 1. Then second line, same thing. 1, then a 2, right down here, and then a 5/7. And a 1, sort of got the chords worked out. Then I try their pattern. A broken pattern in the right hand. And for this one, you're using 4 notes there, or you can do that. I don't care, just pick something. Sort of the accompaniment to the melody, as far as how fast it goes. Whoever does the melody decides that. The accompaniment follows the melody. The melody rules. The melody is what they want to hear. You stay under the melody. If the melody is multiple MF, you are MP or P, softer. Stay under the melody. So however fast the melody person wants to go, go. If you can. They lead, you follow.